We're a company that sell tungsten carbide cutting tools. We grind precision cutting tools across automotive, aerospace, motorsport industries. We have a large range of standard products that customers can purchase out of the catalogue, and we also manufacture high-end bespoke precision tooling to meet our customers' requirements. One of the benefits of exhibiting at the MACH exhibitions is that we get to showcase some of our new products. As a cutting tool manufacturer, we are continually looking to extend our range to give customers benefits when machining their components. Now, we may be looking to introduce new systems and new geometries, such as we have done with our grooving system 66T. This is a 6-edged insert for external grooving, up to bars of 100mm diameter. And they also come with a range of geometries on the inserts to encourage the breakage of swarf when machining. A lot of work that we undertake might be broaching of internal keyways or external splines. And with the S117 system, we've now introduced an indexable insert bolt-on from bores 9mm and above. With the introduction with new tooling on the range, we're always improving our tool holders and how we bring coolant to the cutting edge. As can be seen across our double-ended systems, we've now introduced in the 229 range internal through coolant. This offers coolant directly to the cutting edge, both from above and underneath the tool on the flank and rake faces. We've extended our 114 face grooving system. Now we've introduced an increased stability tool holder for more support when machining, and the 114 system is now available for cut depths of up to 10mm face grooving. We're consistently getting new challenges with regards to materials, be that the manufacture of exotic materials such as Inconel. So we have introduced a PCBN tool range for hard machining, and we've had good results across a range of exotic materials with this, from titanium to Inconel, steels, and also some plastics. Another new geometry we've introduced to help encourage the breakage of swarf would be the eye geometry across our Mini 114 and 111 systems. This is for internal machining. As we know, one of the problems when boring internally is the evacuation of swarf, and you can often get swarf nesting up around the tool and potentially scratching your component. So with the introduction of the eye geometry across this range, we can look to encourage the swarf breakage, increase tool life and quality of the surface finish produced on the component. We're also continually increasing our PCD milling tool range, which we have good success in the milling of non-ferrous materials. We use these tools a lot across the motorsport and automotive industries. So it's definitely one for consideration if you do milling of non-ferrous materials. Also, something that people might not always consider horn for, we do sell a lot of round shank tooling now, whether that's solid carbide end mills or some of the DC range, such as you can see here, for small internal grooving and thread milling. So if you do have any round shank requirements, please consider horn. Another introduction of a new geometry across our Super Mini system is now available from bore sizes of 4mm and up. Again, this is to combat the issues that we were getting with swarf nesting up around the tool. We now have a sintered geometry on the 105 system, which many customers are experiencing success with encouraging the swarf to break on internal machining applications. And the best part about this is, say for example, if you're machining a stainless steel, you can interchange the tools from your existing boring bar from horn to the sinter geometry at the same cutting data to test the benefits. We have also released a new parting off system, the 234, which has offered us part off depths, I think from 65 mil. This is an extension to our double-ended range, allowing us to part off larger diameter workpieces. That was a brief roundup of some of the new tooling that we are showcasing here at the MACH exhibition. One of the reasons why we do showcase here at MACH is to engage in conversations with customers new and old, showcase some of our new products, and enter into discussions of how we might best be able to help our customers moving forward. Whether you're considering an internal machining application, external, be it groove milling, gear milling, please consider Horn in these cases.